Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can make images and photos move in the Canva editor. So let's get started. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to add an image or photo to our video here on Canva. So to do that, start a new video project on Canva. Add a video to your project, for instance, one of the Canva library here to the left. So let me go with that one here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply move the playhead here on your timeline and find the position or spot where you'd like to add the image or photo to. So let me go to the 6-second mark, for instance, then right click on your video here on your timeline and select split page. Now here what you want to do, guys, is simply add an image or photo. You may use an image or photo you added to the Canva library, so head over to the upload section, or simply use one from the Canva library. So go to photos here and let me add, for instance, that photo here. So what you want to do after that is resize it, for instance, position it where you'd like it to appear. So let me appear it somewhere here on the right half of that frame. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply left click on a photo to select it, click on animate here at the top, and select a photo animation style from that list below, like rise, pan, fade, blur, or sketch, or whatever you like. So let me go for simple drift effect animation. And there you go. If I play that video here in the preview, we will see how that image appears somehow around the 6-second mark animated. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you make images move in Canva. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.